In this video, you're going to learn how to get HighLevel for free for 1 month. Hey there, my name is Kerry, Knoll, and in this particular video, I'm going to explain how you can achieve this and more by answering these 3 questions. Number 1, how to start a free 14-day trial through HighLevel themselves. Number 2, how to start a free 30-day trial through Marketing Engines A.I, which is my white label SaaS on the HighLevel platform. And 3, how to upgrade to a 30-day trial through my affiliate link. So I'm going to hop out of here. I'm going to head over to the link below this video. I highly encourage you to click on the link below this video and opt in to access my HighLevel bonus package. Once you do, you'll land on this page that looks just like this. It'll say HighLevel bonuses. Discover the most powerful all-in-one software solution ever created to empower your online empire. Get instant access to all $14,099 of my training programs, workshops, digital assets, and proprietary engines to build profitable and scalable businesses just for giving HighLevel a try. All right, so if you scroll down this page, you can see everything that's all inside of the bonus package, why you might want to sign up for my bonus package over others, etc. And so in order to answer those 3 questions that you have and how to get HighLevel for 30 days for free, the best answer I can give you is to go to my link, highlevelbonuses.com/YT for YouTube. And that link again is below this video. You can either type that in or click on it below this video, opt in, and you'll land on this page. Once you do, you can scroll through the entire page, learn everything you need to learn about my bonus package, and then click on one of the black buttons that says, yes, sign me up for my 30-day free trial of HighLevel plus the bonuses. When you click on that, it's going to say try HighLevel now for free. But don't forget, if you are a HighLevel or Marketing Engines AI customer of mine, you get access to all these bonuses for free. No need to sign up again. However, if you're not one of my customers already or have HighLevel yet or Marketing Engines AI, you can still get access to all these bonuses for free by simply purchasing Marketing Engines AI, starting a free trial of HighLevel, or upgrading your HighLevel account through one of the options below. Okay, so I've got a ton of options here for you, no matter who you are or how it works or what will work best for you. The first one, of course, you get a full 330. Of course, the first one, in order to get a full 30-day free trial of Marketing Engines AI, or essentially HighLevel, you click the first link here. Start your 30-day free trial of Marketing Engines AI. If you want to just get started with HighLevel in general, you can also opt in for this second option, start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel Starter or Agency Plan. Now, this is the kicker. If you already have started a free trial through someone else and you'd like to sign up through mine instead, you can click on this extend your free trial of HighLevel Starter Agency Plan. So if you are currently on a 14-day free trial plan and you click that link and extend it, you can potentially extend it all the way up to 30 days, I believe, all right? At least 28 minimum. The other option here is to start your 14-day free trial HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, which is what I've built Marketing Engines AI on. And you can also upgrade to the HighLevel Agency plan if you're on the starter plan. You can upgrade to the HighLevel Pro or SaaS plan by clicking this link, or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel Annual plan. So these are all the different options. So again, I would pick the one that's best suited for your needs. But this is how you can get HighLevel free for 1 month. And again, the best way to go about doing that is to start your 30-day trial with Marketing Engines AI. However, if you want more than just what I offer in Marketing Engines AI, potentially you can then sign up for one of the other options that you see listed here to get started. Hopefully this answered your question about how you can get HighLevel for free. I appreciate each and every one of you for tuning in and watching this video. If you have additional questions or any questions about any one of these plans, please let me know by leaving me a comment below this video, and I'll do my best to answer it for you as soon as possible. Take care, and I'll talk to you real soon.